What's the meaning of comeback? Comeback. Comeback.
Come back. Come back. A comeback is a return to success or prominence after a period of decline or absence. In the world of entertainment, it often refers to a performer who has been out of the limelight for a while and then makes a triumphant return with new material or a successful tour. A comeback can be thrilling for the performer and their fans alike, as it demonstrates that talent and hard work can overcome setbacks. Overall, a comeback embodies the idea of bouncing back and proving one's worth in the face of adversity.